Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed into the correct Google account, and the Play Store is updated so settings behave predictably. Once done, open Play Store and tap your profile icon. This gives access to account controls you need. Next, go to Manage Apps and Device to view installed or library apps. These first steps unlock hiding options and explain why account scope matters, because app visibility is tied to the account and device sync. You now locate the app in Installed or Library. Tap the app entry and then the three-dot menu to reveal actions. Choose Remove from Library if available to stop it appearing under your account's library. If it's installed, uninstalling removes it entirely from the device. Afterwards, make sure to disable Auto Restore so it won't reappear. For more control, use Family Library or Parental Controls to hide apps from other family members. This explains why different menus exist and when to use each. Finish by confirming the app no longer appears. Clear Play Store cache, force stop the app, and restart your device to refresh listings. If you still see it, make sure you didn't switch accounts. Apps are tied to specific Google accounts. Once confirmed, consider Family Link or blocking to prevent reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if removed apps reappear, clear cache, remove secondary accounts temporarily, then repeat removal. This fixes most sync-related visibility issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.